Hello, Rooster Dad 50 here. I'm making a video that I haven't made in quite some time. It's been several years, I think, since I've done a video, but I'm still hanging in there, still doing the knife thing, and just feel like sharing today. I found a fantastic deal on Amazon for an old timer, number 7 OT. It's going to be similar to the Buck 110 lockback knife, and it was under $24. I couldn't believe it, so I decided to order it, and here goes. And I'll open the package with the Opinel number 10 carbon steel blade. This thing is razor sharp. I know you can tear them to open, but why when you've got a knife? Alright, first item is I got some cables for my mountain bike here. We won't talk about them. Here's what we're after. Old timer. 7 OT. Looks like I'm going to need my knife again here. That thing is nice and stiff. I gotta use it more. And here it is. Sealed for your protection. Gel pack. Keep it dry. This is a nice sheath. Very nice. Good thick leather. Sewn on belt loop. It says Old Timer across the top and Schrade on the black snap. A little bit of an error with the coloring, but who cares? Alright, here it is. Wrapped in wax paper. Oh boy. This is nice. It says Old Timer across the badge. A little bit of goo up here where the joint is, but feels very nice. Decent fit and finish. How's that? Seven OT. It's a lockback design. Little bit of play. If I push it hard, this joint opens up just a little bit, but that might be considered abuse. Have to clean off whatever this is on there, but kind of a satiny finish. Good solid feel to it. Pretty sharp. Not incredibly, but pretty sharp. Certainly not shaving sharp, I don't think. Well, then again, A little bit. Popped a few hairs off. Scratched up my skin a bit. Anyway, I'm kind of in the mood to start making videos again, and I'd like to start out with a few collections that I have, and just see what you guys all think. Maybe I'll start out with my old timer collection since I'm doing this. I have several other categories that I'd like to share. Anyway, toss me a like if you like. I'll do a comparison video with this and the Buck 110. Well, there it is. It's made by Schrade. Their old timer line. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Rooster Dad out.